Hi everybody, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoDraw to create really cool digital artworks. In the bottom left hand corner of your screen you have your toolbox. I have chosen the pencil tool and I've drawn a line. You can also change the colour by clicking the circle in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you can also change the size or thickness of your line at the top. So next I'm going to select AutoDraw, which is an incredibly intelligent piece of software. And if you just watch, I'm going to try and draw an elephant, which is rubbish. But if you look at the top of the screen, the software is trying to work out what I'm drawing, and it's worked out that it's an elephant. And I've selected that elephant, and now I've got a really cool elephant there. I can also use the select tool in the bottom left hand corner of the screen to resize it, to move it around, and to just adjust it as I like. I can also fill it. So I've selected yellow and my fill tool, and I've managed to fill my elephant yellow. Last of all, you can also add text. So I've selected the text tool, and at the top I have changed my font, and you can also change the size. I can also use the select tool again in the bottom left hand corner to move the text and just get it into the right position. And then last of all, you can try using the shape tool. So I've selected the shape tool in my toolbox, and then at the top of the screen I've selected a circle. You can drag a circle to the size that you like, and then using the select tool you can move it into position. And once you're happy with your design, you need to print it. And that's really simple to do. If you click the export button, which is at the top right hand side of your screen, and then you can hit print. Make sure you think carefully about the shape of a t-shirt and making sure that it's going to fit well within the frame of the front of a t-shirt. And also, if you do have trouble printing your work, then perhaps save it and then open it up into Publisher, PowerPoint or Word and print it from there. Enjoy everybody!